first day of spring break. Woohoo! We are on our way to Prague tomorrow, but today we're going to stop halfway in Nuremberg. We have found a surprise place for the kids. They have no idea where we're going. We haven't mentioned it to them. We're just going to turn up and see how it is. I'll follow you. Hello, Mr. Pirate. So not actually anything to stop her falling off into the water. This one wants to do it next, but I'm going to have to be a mean mummy and say no.
There goes Mom, Millie, Hudson and Presley are somewhere on this boat. Look at this right here. Typical Europe parks. There's really no rules here. You can just jump between these and go on these paddling boats. Presley's right there on the top. I'm gonna go get her. Ooh, watch out.
Hey guys!
Oh, wait. Hey, there you are. Millie, I see you. What are you looking at down there? Oh, wow. Another danger place.
There's even a little bed over here for you, Millie. And a rat friend. Look out here. Wow. Millie's climbing up to the bed. Is it nap time, darling? Wow. Gonna have to let Daddy do that with you guys. Oh look, there's flashing lights down here. Is that... Oh, the kitchen. Wow. You're making us dinner?
You can go down.
What's... What? Is that the dungeon? Let's see the dungeon, Millie. Spooky, spooky skeleton.
And look, you walked right by the pirate. All right, Hudson. Oh, look, more obstacles to try out. What you thinking, Presley? Are we gonna fall in or what?
I hope we don't. I mean, it's
the answer should be no. All right, we found a boat. I have the rope. Good luck. Bye.
Wait, you're...
I'm coming. I'm coming too. Whoa!
Millie and I just came off the pirate ship. Look who we spotted.
Hudson's rocking us, Presley. You're gonna fall in. We're about to have a collision here. There's about to be a roadblock. A boat block. Yeah, I'm gonna spin us all the way around. Good job, Presley. We'll do a 360. Where are they? There they are. Let's go get Millie, everyone.
Oh, goodness. Oh. Millie, do you want to have a go? One sensible one.
All right, we made it to the back. There's Millie and Mom. There's the ship we were just on. Where are we going, son? Okay, we're gonna go. Millie, you want to join us? Okay.
She's not crazy.
Bye. Uh-oh, no. Run! Uh-oh.
No, jump.
I've got it. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Anyway, I jumped and made it, but look, the boat has floated away. We need to get the rope. How do we get it back?
Oh, we didn't get that?
Uh-oh. What do you yell in this situation? Abandon ship?
Yeah.
Nice, let's get out of here. Be careful, this one's tough. It's really, really wobbly. Oh! Okay, I'll stop. Take your time.
I see Hudson at the top. Hi, Huds. Look over there. We have to go under the water. There's Presley at the top of the waterfall too. Woo! I don't even know what this section is. It's like Indiana Jones, I guess. If all 5 of us make it home without getting wet, I will be incredibly surprised.
I really want Presley to try this, but she just bailed out. Millie, come on. I'll hold your hand. She's being so delicate, watching out for the water. Look! It's Sissy. Let's go back. Let's keep going. Where's Hudson? Another secret room, Millie. Dead end. What's back here? Oh! Wow, that's cool. I didn't expect that. So it's the back end of it.
Oh, does this go? I did see a secret tunnel this way, but I guess it's not so secret if I saw it. But we should like see if we can get through it. You want to try the tunnel?
Let's go. Ooh, I see it. Alright, are you going or me?
You can try this one.
Alright, my turn. Millie! I'm gonna get you. Where's Hudson?
What I really love is that each section seems to join together with these tiny tunnels through the forest. So Hudson's going to a new section now. Down he goes. I'm just going to have to watch Hudson from over here because there's no way I can get down there. So steep. Yeah, Millie really wanted to do it, but there's no chance I could help her down safely. I think we might have found their favourite thing in the park, which is actually super nostalgic for me because growing up there was one of these in a park that me and my cousins used to love going to in Thetford Forest in England, if you know it. We absolutely loved this kind of raised roundabout thing, and now look at my kids loving it too.
So we just made our way up a little higher to the Knight's Castle. Presley found a rock wall and went straight for it. You did. It really made it look easy. Yeah, definitely don't fall. It's a long way down.
Oh really?
Nice, you did it.
It's Tiny Princess. A monster! A big ogre! Oh look, I wonder where those stairs lead. Maybe a banquet hall. Tiny door. Wow! What's in it? A mirror maze, thank you. Don't run because you don't want to run into a mirror. Kids are in the dungeon. Mummy might get some peace and quiet. Bye bye. You're locked in. There's no escape. Mummy's gonna have a very peaceful cup of tea. Bye. Have a nice day. There are lots of steps on the inside that are super friendly for little kids. Apart from my daughter seems to think she's one of the big kids. And then of course there's these much bigger obstacles for the bigger kids as well. So there really is something for all ages here. We're up on the top level of the castle. This one is speedy today. Oh, I see Daddy over there in the castle. There's Dad.
It works, but it's like a...
Hey, pointed over there. Look, they're bouncing on those big little bouncy things in the ground. You know, like we had at Hansel and Gretel.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, just like the Hansel and Gretel pancake house. If you haven't seen that video, I encourage you to go watch the Hansel and Gretel pancake house from our trip from the Netherlands. It's a really good place to go and take your kids if you haven't yet.
So do you think we came here for the kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, good view. Oh wow, that is Hudson heaven. Wow, Millie! Oh, how cool! All the Playmobil pieces!
Yeah, I told Hudson the cruise that he took them on, their voyage wasn't so great.
Did
Lots
it say?
of overboards and...
This is great. I realise they have this smaller section right here for under threes, so this is where Millie should be, but it looks a bit too calm for her. She's wild. So over here is for over threes. Lots to play with. So I'm stood pretty centrally in the park right now. We've got the castle behind me and all the pirate ships and everything was over back behind there. There's all the indoor stuff right here. There's huge bouncy castles in that direction. there's the boats and the mermaids over behind this way, and also a whole like make-believe section that we haven't got to yet. There's dinosaurs somewhere. I see a farm over in this direction, and of course every single place you walk to there's tiny tunnel ways, secret passages, bridges, roundabouts. It's so cool. Currently hanging out with Farmer Millie on Fowler Farm. She doesn't seem too keen on these cows so far. Taking in, oh yeah, give it a stroke. Hi cow. Oh look, we can milk them, Millie. Should we go milk the cow? Look, there's buckets. Watch out it doesn't kick. Hudsy's milking the cow right now. Good job, Hudsy. Brush the horse some more. You're taking great care of the horse. Now to climb, yeah. Hudson's found a huge tunnel slide. There's Millie, there's Hudsy. Whoosh.
Okay, once you're in, there's a rope behind you. Look, yep, good job. And then use your hands. There she goes. I'm sorry, sweetie, you're a little bit too tiny for these ones.
No, I'm not.
Oh, I'm sorry. Shouldn't have said anything.
No, I'm not. I'm big. I'm big.
You are big, you're right.
Hudson's in heaven. Figured out the controls pretty fast, and we know he knows which way he's going because every time we tell him it's time to come in, he goes back to the penguins. Hudsy, come on, this way please. Thank you. Well done, dude. Decided it's time to come to this big indoor play area now for a food break. Big jumpy bouncy castle over there. Oh, look at all these play areas. I want to climb it all. You can tell by the amount of seating they have here how busy it must get in the summer months. But this is great. Let's go inside. Oh my goodness. Yep, I see a sign for coffee. Let's do coffee first. It feels like a Charlie in the Chocolate Factory elevator. Let's go, go, go. The castle. Look, Millie, Princess Castle right there. Princess Playmobile. Let's get Hudsy. He's off in one direction, exploring that way. Hudson's down here with the tractor. I see the princess play area, and I can't wait to go inside over there. There's a huge indoor play area.
You wanna go? Let's go.
It's a kid's dream. It goes over here to even more kids stuff. The back there I think is more Hudson's age, but there's something for every kid, that's for sure. Let's go see what's over here. It looks really quiet. In the cafeteria, you have beer, wine, all the good stuff for the kids, all the German favorites. Salad bar, chicken nuggets and fries.
We managed to round up the kids. And look, the little meals come with toys. Yeah, let's see what's inside.
I thought they were trying to sell me something there at the end. No, they came with it.
Like a Happy Meal. Well, the sun's still out. We're back to playing outside. Whoa. We're in the police station. You see the toilet in there? Millie's happily going to jail. Hello, Millie. Hudson's on the computer looking for anyone suspicious. See Daddy and Presty on the go-karts any second.
Alright, Presley, obey all traffic rules and signs, okay? Where is she? Oh, there she is.
Here comes Preston. Hi. Ooh, spooky.
Handle.
A handle. Shake it. Where does it lead? We made it!
Mommy, what?
Back where we were? We've just spotted a gold mine! Wow! Oh, I feel raindrops. I think we're about to get rained on. We might have to jump in the horse and cart until the rain's over. Look at the medical centre. I love how the first aid section is disguised within Playmobil World. So I think this is Mermaid Cove. Hudson's made it over. Will he make it back without getting wet? Can you make it back? Woohoo! Look how cute and themed it is. This would be brilliant in the summer. We definitely need to come back when it's warm. Horse, little Millie Grace is napping right now, so she can't see this area. Although maybe it's a good thing because she would for sure be in the water. And there's my boy. So the kids just discovered if you stomp on here, you got it, Pressy. It's quiet water. Whoa! Goodbye, Cowboy Town, and back into the farmland area. Oh wow, it's really starting to rain. We may have to call it a day. However, we have been here a good few hours. I think the only thing we've missed is the dinosaur area. We almost made it to the exit, but the rain is holding off and the kids have found one more little play area, so we're going to have a last runabout. Look at the tunnel slide! Different direction? Okay, should we go this way? That sounds amazing, let's do it! Hudson's found the tunnel slide. Go on, P! Can't even see it past there. Really fast? Okay, maybe this is not the one for Millie. Goodbye! Bye, baby girl. See you in a minute. Bye, Castle. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in Prague.